Amy Slayton, one half of the beloved duo from TLC's hit reality show, 1000 LB Sisters, is once again drawing major concern from fans. Known for her emotional vulnerability, quirky personality, and immense journey through weight loss and motherhood, Amy has been in the spotlight for both her transformation and her struggles. But now, a wave of fans online are beginning to believe that the reality TV star may be backsliding into old habits, with many labeling her recent behavior as disturbing and concerning. As Amy continues to document her life through TikTok videos, Instagram stories, and appearances on the show, viewers are questioning whether the progress she once made has begun to unravel. The shift has been subtle yet unmistakable to longtime followers of the show. Amy, who once celebrated shedding hundreds of pounds and embracing life as a new mother, now seems less focused on her health journey and more entangled in chaos. Her recent behavior, marked by erratic social media posts, emotional breakdowns, questionable parenting moments, and an apparent lack of motivation, has ignited a firestorm of speculation. The very fans who once cheered for her are now expressing deep disappointment and fear for her well-being. The concern began when fans started noticing the tone of Amy's videos becoming increasingly erratic. What were once light-hearted clips of her with her kids or behind-the-scenes peeks into her daily life have transformed into shaky, emotionally charged content. In one recent TikTok, Amy appears disheveled and tearful as she rants about being overwhelmed, leaving viewers stunned. The video was flooded with comments from fans begging her to seek help, with one writing, "This isn't the Amy we've come to love, something's not right." Another user added, "She needs support, not a camera in her face." Amy's emotional state seems to be deeply intertwined with the massive life changes she's faced in recent years. From her divorce from Michael Halterman to the pressures of single parenting, raising two young sons, Gage and Glenn, while also maintaining a public presence has clearly taken its toll. The divorce, which was confirmed publicly in early 2023, was reportedly messy and emotionally draining. Court documents and public records indicated heated custody battles and disputes over Amy's ability to care for the children. Fans who once saw Amy as a strong, evolving woman now worry that the instability in her personal life is dragging her back into dangerous territory. Further fueling concern is Amy's apparent disregard for her health progress. In early seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, Amy underwent bariatric surgery, shed considerable weight, and met important milestones that allowed her to have children. It was a hard-earned victory for someone who had been dismissed by many as a lost cause. But lately, fans say she appears to be gaining weight again and losing the discipline that helped her transform. Photos posted online and scenes from the most recent episodes show Amy indulging in high-calorie foods and skipping workouts. More alarmingly, she's joked about her size and eating habits in ways that suggest she's slipping back into old mindsets. Some fans believe Amy is using humor as a coping mechanism, but others argue that it's a deflection from her real issues. A recent video in which she pretends to stress eat with a mountain of snacks in front of her struck a particularly negative chord with fans. "It's not funny anymore," a commenter said. "You are a mom. Your health isn't just about you now." Another wrote, "She worked so hard to come this far, and now it looks like she's just giving up." Many are pointing fingers at the pressures of being a reality star. Amy has been on national television since 2020, and her fame has brought both money and scrutiny. With her entire life open to public analysis, the lines between performance and reality have blurred. Supporters argue that the TLC production team should intervene more responsibly when a cast member appears to be unraveling on screen. Critics say the show exploits Amy's vulnerabilities for ratings, packaging her pain as entertainment while doing little to help her behind the scenes. Others speculate that Amy's regression could be tied to mental health struggles. The emotional volatility seen in her recent appearances, coupled with inconsistent parenting behavior, has led many fans to question whether she's battling depression or anxiety. During the latest season, there were moments where Amy seemed withdrawn, confused, and disoriented. On camera, she has broken down into tears without much provocation, sometimes screaming at her sister Tammy or isolating herself from her family. One particular scene showed her struggling to get out of bed while her children cried in the background, an image that haunted viewers long after the episode. The ad Amy has admitted in the past to dealing with anxiety and low self-esteem, particularly after becoming a mother. She has spoken about the difficulties of adjusting to life post-surgery, the postpartum depression she experienced after Glenn's birth, and the overwhelming stress of being a single mom. However, she hasn't made any public statements recently about seeking therapy or professional support. This silence has only added to the concern, with fans urging her to take a break from social media and prioritize her mental health. Interestingly, some fans are also speculating that Amy's environment could be playing a negative role in her current regression. She's been seen spending time with people who some claim are enabling her destructive behavior. In past seasons, family members, including Tammy, have also been criticized for being unsupportive or toxic at times. Viewers recall many scenes where Amy tried to motivate Tammy to lose weight or live healthier, only to be met with resistance and bitterness. Now, with Tammy having undergone her own surgery and reportedly making strides in her weight loss journey, some wonder if the dynamic has shifted and Amy feels overshadowed or left behind. There is also concern over Amy's children. While there's no public evidence of neglect, viewers have begun dissecting every interaction Amy has with her sons. Whether it's letting them roam unsupervised in chaotic video backdrops or speaking to them in an overly emotional tone, fans are nervous that Amy's current state could affect their development. Those boys need stability, one viewer commented on Reddit. Amy needs help, not more filming. Others pointed out that raising two toddlers alone is a monumental task for anyone, let alone someone battling mental health and weight issues. The pressure of motherhood in the public eye, combined with a demanding filming schedule and an unrelenting fan base, seems like a dangerous cocktail. The wave of online concern has led to petitions and calls to TLC executives to offer Amy better mental health resources or temporarily pull her from filming. While TLC has not made any public comment regarding Amy's state, the network has faced similar criticism in the past for how it handles the health of its reality stars. Some suggest the producers thrive on the dramatic lows and highs of Amy's life, choosing shock value over genuine support. The more Amy spirals, the more buzz the show gets, but at what cost? Despite the uproar, there are still many fans who stand by Amy and believe she can find her way again. They argue that regression is a natural part of any recovery journey, especially one as complex as weight loss, divorce, and motherhood all rolled into one. They emphasize compassion over criticism, urging others not to abandon Amy during what appears to be her most vulnerable phase. These supporters flood her comment sections with messages of hope, encouragement, and reminders of how far she's come. "You've done this once, Amy. You can do it again," one fan wrote. "We believe in you, but belief alone may not be enough this time." The reality is that Amy Slayton is facing multiple challenges at once, and the signs of regression are becoming harder to ignore. Whether it's emotional instability, weight gain, parenting stress, or social media pressures, the situation has clearly reached a boiling point. If the support she needs doesn't come soon, from family, from professionals, or from TLC itself, there's a real risk that things could spiral further. Amy once stood as a beacon of transformation, proof that determination could overcome even the most daunting odds. But now, she finds herself teetering on the edge of a familiar cliff. Whether she climbs back up or falls depends on what happens next, and who's there to catch her. One thing is clear, fans aren't just watching a reality show anymore, they're watching a real woman in crisis. And for many, that's no longer entertainment, it's a wake-up call. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.